Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to episode 36. I found this package from Bold in my closet. It's been a few months. I think I should open it. I ordered this August 22nd. It is now November 26th. This will be a quick video. I do not remember what I ordered a few months ago. So let's start off with the sound test. It does not sound like coins. So I commend Bold Precious Metals for soundproofing the insides. It must have been raining in August because they got tape all around. I'm guessing to stop the elements from getting inside. Let me grab a knife. Oh my goodness, it was so hard to open this thing. It had tape all around the box. And then I finally find the lip to open the box to find out there's another box inside. I guess that's good. Probably helps with the sound. Package is really heavy. I don't know what's in here. Okay, I see tubes. Let's remove some paper. First tube is a square tube. So these are the rectangular dragons from the Perth Mint. And the next tube is some eagles. I don't like how Bold puts their sticker on it. So I just use my knife to peel it off gently, and then I use my hands or my fingers for the rest. And the second tube also had the sticker, so had to take care of that. Here's me removing the Bold sticker from the second tube. There is a little residual sticker left over, but I can take care of that later. And of course, the third tube has the sticker. I'll take care of that right now. I get why they do it. It's part of advertising. What else we got in the box? That's about it. Bold Precious Metal gave us an invoice. That's how much I paid for the Eagles. You guys want me to put how much I paid in my videos, like the price I paid per coin? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not really sure if you guys want to hear that stuff. We have the 2023 Perth Mint rectangular dragon coin. Queen Elizabeth, proof in the front, and the background is frosted. $1, 2023, Australia, 1 ounce. I really don't know what AG is. Can you guys help me out? What does AG mean? Okay, we came for the dragon. The tail comes from the top, his mid-body's in the center, and his head's at the bottom looking at that P. I want to do an up-close shot of the background of the coin. That looks like it's statues carved into a mountain. And if you go on the other side, oops, I can only see it through my phone. Can't see with my eyes. Yeah, it's carved in a mountain. I think there's like fireworks over there in the top left. There's a treasure chest with the WR on the mid right. And yeah, WR treasure chest. I don't know what that little jar is. It's like a small jar of honey. If you scroll down to the left of that of his claw, see to the left there's a lady there. Can you see her? And then on top of his head is another treasure chest. To the left of that is another P, or is the P. I want to go back to that jar. Look to the left of that jar. That's a monkey. Look at that. There's a monkey to the left of that jar. The Monkey King? Who knows? There is so much detail. I would not have seen that carving on the side of that mountain without my iPhone. I still don't know what that is on the top left next to his feet. I'm going to end it right here with the review of the unboxing of my Perth Mint coin and my 3 tubes of American Silver Eagles. I am very happy with Bold Precious Metals. This is Seismic Sales signing off, and please subscribe, help the channel.